I was just in Bradford, as you know, where Zippos are made. Bradford, PA. In Erie, so it's kind of close. And I got a hat. Nice little flame on there. I got this hand warmer, which I wanted to know a lot more about because it's big and there are no videos on it. And I also picked up a Zippo case, which is really nice. It's really nice leather. Flips open. It's nice. Holds it. Nothing. Ferret. Clips onto belt or anything. Hold on. Got a ferret. And he's fat. Okay. Anyway, this hand warmer I have yet to fill. Came in this. Just like this. Came with fuel, the hand warmer, this little thing to measure how much fuel to put in, and under here it came with this little pouch to hold it in when it's turned on, because it'll get really hot. And what I'm going to do is explain how it works. I have the instructions here. And sorry if it gets out of frame, I can't see the camera. What it is you pull this up and it reveals a little felt thing. Nice Zippo, flexible tripod, camera, blank on the other side of me. You pull that off. That's your little felt pad. That's what actually kind of catches fire. Here are your Rylon balls from the windproof lighter to hold the fuel. And what you're supposed to do is take the fluid, Zippo brand fluid, and fill this up to one of the lines. The first one for 12 hours. Second one for 24 hours. I'm going below 12 hours because I'm going to put this out fast because it's already boiling hot out today. Well, if you can see that, it's a little below the line. I'm gonna fill this like this. What this is, it's just a measuring device. Alright, it's filled up. You put this on it. And what you're supposed to do is light it. Get a classic Zippo, windproof. Open it up, light this up. Hold this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 5 seconds. And then this the cap of this has a little indicator. Hold on. Sorry about that, ferret troubles. And then, ow. You put the cap in there for 10 to 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if it's turned red, which is not, it's still orange and yellow, you repeat step A, which is with lid off, hold base unit. Alright, which is the flame. How's not red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click it, hold it, take the little meter, put it down onto the pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, I don't think it's turned red, but this thing's getting hot, so I would assume it's done. I like to keep the meter on the left of the Zippo sign. Take it like that. Put it in its little case. Nice little case. Open it up, Velcro, stick it in. Do that not to burn yourself. And then it should be hot. And stupid of me to do this. It is hot because it's also boiling hot out. The unit's very hot too. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds or so, and this thing is hot. Like hand warmer hot right now. And I don't really want to make this thing hot because it's boiling out. And this thing is really hot because it's metal, and in the case it's supposed to protect you so that you're not touching pure metal. To extinguish it, you pull this off and remove this thing's fuel supply by taking off this metal cap. You can do that with this cap. And then within 30 seconds this is supposed to extinguish. And we'll see if it does that. Alright, it's been at least 30 seconds. Off camera I touched it and it was piping hot. And right now it's cold. So that's how you extinguish it. If you don't use up the fuel, just pop that back on. Right like that, comes off, felt pad. Put the cap back on. Got yourself a nice hand warmer. There's the meter. It's got the nice 8-dot system. And it's got these 4 little dots up top to radiate heat, I think. It's a nice product. It has a 1-year guarantee. If you buy the product, keep this card. It's off to the side because you need to send it in. I have footage from Bradford that I'm going to be putting up. Like, never mind. But it's a really nice product. There have been no videos on it. That's how it all works. This little thing. The lines. The first one is for filled up to there 12 hours. Second one filled up to there 24 hours. And it's a nice product. Thank you for your time.